You guys, I just got a new skincare product from one of my favorite skincare brands ever. So I hit record when I do my nighttime routine here so you guys can see what my first thoughts are of this. I got this on sale. It's 25% off right now, at least for one more day. I tried to get this video up sooner, but it is what it is. It's still on sale for at least another day. I'm gonna link it below if you are interested in shopping it. So let's see if this new product gets the Budget Dermatologist stamp of approval. If you're new here, I'm Dr. Maren Locke, the Budget Dermatologist on YouTube. I teach you when to spend and when to save on skincare and just help you make it all a little more simple. Make sure you're subscribed and come say hi on Instagram at the Budget Dermatologist. So this is the product by Avène. Like I said, one of the greatest skincare brands. They make some of my holy grail products. And their new one, it just launched like a few days ago, I don't know, last week maybe, called Hyaluronic Active B3. So this product is actually pretty affordable baseline, but even better if you get it on sale, obviously. But I kind of think of this as like a true combination product. This has 6% niacinamide in it and hyaluronic acid. I think it has two different molecular weight hyaluronic acids in it. Now, like I said, I'm gonna link this below because Avène makes a couple other serums that look similar, but this specifically is the new one that I'm trying out in this video. So yeah, it was priced so well. And when I saw it was also on sale, it was an absolute no-brainer. I try to try all of the new launches from Avène if they make sense for my skin type because it's just such a good skincare brand. But let's see. Okay, it comes in this little dropper bottle format here. And okay, so kind of thin, a little bit viscous. It's almost reminding me a little bit of the Vichy Mineral 89 in consistency. This one is a little bit thinner than that for context, which, you know, I love that other product. So if you've used that before, let's see what we think of it on the skin. So as I apply it here, I'm going to tell you the two standout ingredients in this, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. It makes it basically a combination serum, so you are not having to layer different serums to get both of those ingredients benefits. And the product description for this said firmer skin in 15 days. So today is day one, I'll let you know. But with a very well formulated hyaluronic acid product, you definitely can get great plumping of the skin to fill out some of those fine lines and wrinkles. So I definitely think that is possible with this product. Now, I'll tell you, so far it goes on really nicely on the skin. Feels nice, nice little dewy glow. So niacinamide, this has 6% niacinamide, which is a good amount. That is going to help even out your skin texture. It is going to strengthen your skin barrier. It can make your pores look more tight or small. It can help fade dark spots or those acne, acne marks. So niacinamide is really a hero ingredient. It can work for many skin types. It's generally tolerated by many skin types as well. So that is in it. And then it also has two molecular weights types of hyaluronic acid, which is good because it's going to get absorption or penetration into the skin and then also help create this hydration layer on top of the skin. So that's what is in this product. Overall, there's actually only 8 ingredients in this product. Again, one of the main reasons I love Avène skincare because they keep their formulation so simple, which means it's going to be really good for people with sensitive skin and that type of thing. So, yep, the two main ingredients, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and then the Avène thermal spring water, which is very quality water in these products, and just a couple other ingredients to stabilize it. So boom, very simple. I love that formulation. So I really like the way it feels on my skin so far. I'll try to show you a little bit more up close so you can see how it absorbs pretty quickly. And you just need a little bit over the whole face and just gives you a nice lightweight coverage over the skin, if you can see. So the way that I plan to try this out in my routine is you can actually put this either in the morning or at night, depending on when you want that extra hydration and the niacinamide for that skin barrier repair. That's one of the main reasons I use niacinamide products. So this goes perfectly either morning or nighttime in your routine. You could definitely use it twice a day if that makes sense for you. I think I am going to be using this at night, on nights where I take a break from my retinoid or my strong anti-aging product. So if you've been following me for a while, you know Avène makes one of my favorite nighttime retinoid products. It's the strongest thing you can get. without a prescription. It has retinaldehyde as the anti-aging powerhouse ingredient in it. So I usually try to use this at least 3 times a week, maybe up to 5 times a week, depending on what all is going on with my skincare routine. So then on nights that I'm not using this, that would be a perfect time to use this, just to give your skin barrier a break, help strengthen it, and the hyaluronic acid to give you that extra moisture barrier. But alternatively, you could certainly use this in the morning. Do know that whatever you put with this is probably going to get more absorption into the skin because of the hyaluronic acid. So be careful what you layer with it. You know, I don't love to layer skincare. I usually alternate days with them instead. And you can definitely still get benefit from both ingredients alternating like that. All right, so after feeling it on my skin, I think I'm going to compare it to this one from my stockpile, the Vichy Mineral 89 Hyaluronic Acid kind of serum moisturizer hybrid. So you can see, I just showed you the new one on my hand. This one, again, looks really similar. This one by Vichy is a little bit thicker. Okay, so this serum here is a little bit thinner. So I would say this could potentially double as a moisturizer. Maybe if you need like barely any moisturizer, this one I would still pair with something else if you want some extra hydration. But comparing both of these, this hyaluronic acid and hyaluronic acid, but this one also has the added 6% niacinamide. I really love a combination product because it makes routines so simple. So I like both of these products a lot. This one I've been using for years, but I would say this one is a really strong competitor to this. I think they're the same price, or if not within like a few dollars of each other. So if you're thinking of trying this product or something similar, go for a combination serum and see how that works out for you, because it has niacinamide in it too, and at a really good percentage, 6%. So 2 options for you, but I think this one is going to be a unique addition to your routine. All right, so now that it's been on my skin a few minutes, it is not sticky or tacky at all, which is a complaint I have with some niacinamide serums that can be a little more affordable. Sometimes they can leave this like little residue on the skin, but this is very smooth so far. So I'm not surprised. I really like this. It's the first time I've used it though. I just unboxed it. But I'm definitely gonna put this in my routine and see what I think. Like I said, I'm linking this one below. It's on sale at least another day. Check this one out if you want a serum that is very simple, good for sensitive skin, has 2 powerhouse ingredients in it, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. You can use it either morning or night or both, whatever makes sense for your routine. And that's this. So linked below. Let me know if you guys have actually already tried this out. Let me know what you think. We can all learn from each other. Make sure you're subscribed. Come say hi on Instagram at The Budget Dermatologist. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.